Hey, it's Fran, and this is Fran Toku Demo. And today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Zeztz DX Night Invoker Buckle. So here's the box set we got here is the Night Invoker, then the Zeztz driver, the capsule include, and Nox Knight. And on the back is everything that you want to know about it. On the top, we got the buckle and the capsule include. On the other side, we got the full body of Nox Knight. On the other side, the half body of Nox Knight. And most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let's begin. And here it is. As you can see and what it says on the box, it's a buckle or probably a plate in white with bronze. And if you look closely, it had some cybernetic designs. And on the back, it had two clips on each end. Now let's bring back Zetz's driver, and all we have to do is to pop out the plate by pulling it. And now we're going to pop in the buckle. Okay, so now we had a new driver called the Night Invoker. And it doesn't matter on how you put in because it has the same weight. And now let's do the erase capsem. It had a metallic gray in color, and inside we got a background with glitches, got erased, so that's why it's called erased for nothing. Like the capsem used by Zeztz, this one had a different design, so it appears more mechanical. And a bonus, there's an etch of Z's logo on top of the capsem, indicating that it is his. Now let's do the transformation. So let's switch this on. Okay, it still do the Z's driver announcement. It only changes the appearance, but the sound still remains. And now, let's go. There's the standby sound. Okay. Kiso. Okay, so now we transform into Nox Knight, which is Nox's primary form. He's not technically a rider, even though he had a driver and he looks like one, but he's now aligned with these two as Kamen warrior type. So now let's do the finisher. Okay, I'm digging this sound. Okay, so that's the erase fatal. So now let's do the second one. Okay, so that's the erase over fatal. And now let's scan this one. And that's it for the DX Knight Invoker buckle. So thanks for watching and until the next demo. Ciao.